All right, so this situation happens quite frequently, and I see it all the time in my law practice. It's a little complicated, so close your eyes and follow me on this, and I'll do my best to explain it to you. You're at a complete stop at a red light or at a stop sign. You get rear-ended by the car behind you. We'll call that car A, correct? Then, a few seconds later, you feel another impact. Why? Because car A was rear-ended by the car behind it, which is we'll call that car B. The forces of the impact between car A and car B causes car A to hit you one more time, hence the double impact. What makes these cases so interesting is a lot of times you will file a damage claim, whatever your damages are, with car A and with car B. But oftentimes, car A and car B may not accept liability. For example, car A will argue, maybe it's not factual, but they will argue that they did not hit the car in front of them but for the impact from car B. So that makes these cases pretty interesting. It's a lot of fun to litigate.